grove of 800-year-old redwood trees high in the hills of Occidental, Northern California. This 27-acre protected tract is some of the very last ancient pristine redwood forests on Earth. In 1990, there was 4% left of ancient pristine redwood forests that once grew in the Northern Hemisphere. And now in 2016, there's 2% or less left of these giant, majestic redwood trees. The redwood forests, and in fact all forests, drive the water-air cycle for planet Earth. Forests provide the homes for many, many creatures. They provide us with peace, power, and water and air. Timeless Sound is a new music production company who will be producing an ongoing series called Concerts for the Trees. Concerts for the Trees will be employing local musicians with celebrities in our effort to provide beautiful music to heal the world and raise awareness and money for purchasing, protecting, and restoring our last remaining great ancient redwood forests. We're raising money for Save the Redwoods League and Semper Virens. These are two nonprofit groups whose whole mission is to purchase and protect our last tracts of ancient pristine redwoods. They also provide educational processes for at-risk youth. They're wonderful groups. So at the end of this musical presentation, I'm going to be providing 2 songs for you. Then go to the Timeless Sound website and make a donation. We're crowdfunding the music production costs, all production costs for Timeless Sound, with the means of crowdsourcing or crowdfunding on the internet. And Timeless Sound is offering egalitarian use of money. For every donation that you bring in, you get to keep 20% of that donation. So we're making capitalism work. Here is Sequoia, the theme song for Concerts for the Trees. Sequoia, home to spiders, birds, and squirrels. Your great nurturing force unfurls. You stretch your branches out to the sky. I hold your image in my heart's eye. You are strong enough to resist fire. Sequoia. Sequoia, raise our vision high. Grow twice as tall as the other tall trees. Your patience shows us how to grow free. We think that we can live without you. We forget that all our purest dreams are about you. Sequoia. You are strong enough to resist fire. Sequoia. Sequoia, raise our vision high. Before and after civilization, the forest, technology can't set us free. The forest, oh spirit of Sequoia, now infuse what we believe and all that we do. Spirit of Sequoia, now infuse what we believe. Sequoia. You are strong enough to resist fire. All around in Eden's garden, sacred ground. One of these days we will understand how to live for love and not rape the land. One of these days we will understand how to live for love. Live for love. You are strong enough. We are strong enough to resist authority now. Sequoia, you show us how. This is a painting by my dear friend, Suzanne Devou. In it we see all the joy of nature, all the joy that we can experience when we spend time alone in the loving arms of Mother Nature. This painting depicts a dolphin. Here's a picture of one of the very last dolphins on Earth. We're looking at the last dolphins on Earth, the last wolves, the last elephants on Earth, the last bees on Earth, the last redwood forest on Earth. So the point of my being here right now is to express my deep love for life in a human form on this glorious, majestic, incredible planet. This song is John Denver's Annie's Song. You fill up my senses like a night in the forest, like the mountains in springtime, like a walk in the rain, like a storm in the desert, like a sleepy blue ocean. You fill up my senses, come fill drown in your laughter. Let me die in your arms. Let me lie down upon you, Mother Earth. Let me always be with you. You fill up my senses. Come fill me again. Come, let me love you. Let me lie down upon you. Let me drown in your laughter and die in your arms. Let me lie down upon you. Let me always be with you. You fill up my senses. Come fill me again. May peace and love prevail, and may timeless sound and concerts for the trees succeed in showing the forest and all the other creatures how much we love them by raising the money it takes to protect them. See the website at Timeless Sound.